Hello everyone, my name is Subash. Basically, I'm a mechanical engineer. I have joined GUVI a few months ago because I am working in a mechanical IT field. I want to switch my career from mechanical to IT field. So I joined in GUVI with my reference a friend. His name is Guru. He referred me to join GUVI. They're providing good placements and better knowledge to understand skills. I have joined in our software automation testing at 8012 batch. In my batch, Suman is my coordinator who coordinates us, who gives us IT knowledge is very good because I didn't know anything about coding or anything. He teaches us about the automation testing and the frameworks. It will be very helpful for me during the interview phase. I have attended two interviews. In first interview, I am able didn't crack the round, but in my second interview, I cracked the three rounds and joined as a automation tester in Digital IT Solutions in Chennai with a CGP of around 2.6 LP. I sincerely want to thank GUVI and the mentors who provided me to get such opportunity to join in a IT company. Thank you for GUVI and team for making me join in a dream job and change my career towards IT field. Thank you.